Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nao Nails. In this video we are going to sort of revisit the vintage rose nail, but we're going to put a twist on it and do it a little bit different because we have some new bits and bobs, and I thought, ooh, that'd be nice. So let's give it a go. I've not done this before. I am warning you. Be kind. So I'm going to use some intense pink. So that's our transparent pink, but it is intense. So it's got a lot of pigment in it, even though it's transparent. I'm going to use this first of all to adhere some metal pieces onto this nail. Now these metal pieces have a slight curve to them, so they will fit the nail nicely.
How come you're not doing the background colour first?
It all will be revealed.
Sure.
Yeah, you just shut up, Adam. You clearly have no idea what I'm doing.
That's just the norm, isn't it?
Yeah. Just making sure that that is adhered. It's adhered, dear. Now we're going to do one here. This is going to be a different shape, so we're going to use this for our leaf shape. What I will do, I will use these little metal pieces as a border, kind of framing the design. I'm going to have another one here. I'm doing it in this way because I feel like it looks nice running down the nail. It keeps everything nice and streamlined. It looks more aesthetically pleasing to the eye. So you only need a small amount of acrylic to sort of secure those onto the nail. And pop that powder away. We do need it later though. Now we are going to use Mega White. I do like this wheel though. There's lots of beautiful.
Number one.
I do like it. There's loads of bits and bobs in there we can use for all sorts of things. Now, this is the tricky part. I'm using high-speed liquid, very, very small beads, and I'm going to create a rose in the centre of this circle or oval. Now this is going to resemble like a cameo or a brooch, you know, a brooch cameo.
Like a cameo was when somebody was in a film. Make sure.
That's because you're a film producer. You're creating something so small, you know, you do need to have not a lot of liquid on your brush when you're picking up the beads. You do need a small 3D brush. we come into the middle now. So my brush will get a little bit more upright. The angle of my brush will change as I come to the centre. That's going to give you a better angle with your petals. So that's the rose done. And now we're going to do the leaves. I'm going to use my craft knife. And I'll use that to mark out the sort of vines. And it's kind of framing the leaf. I love these little gold pieces. I'm just going to use this knife to cut in those little vines. Not vines, they're veins, aren't they? Veins. Into vine what Tarzan swings on. Then we're going to do one in here. Now we've done that, you're going to get the intense pink. I forgot what it's called for a minute then. And you're going to pick up a bead of that. And you're going to go straight over that rose, just like we do with the vintage rose. And what you want to do is make sure you go over the metal.
Why over the metal?
Because when we do this next part, you don't want to put the acrylic over the metal, the coloured acrylic that I'm going to use next.
Right.
We're going to do exactly the same with the leaves. I'm keeping it quite thin though, I'm not like going too thick with it. Not at this point. So I think this is probably the hardest part. Keeping everything the right shape. Making sure you cover the gold. And I'm going to do exactly the same with the leaves as well. What I'm going to use is Raspberry Bloom, which has been making me sing in my head. Raspberry beret. Right, and I'm going to get the colour. And I'm going to go right up to the shapes. So you can see why I needed to cover the gold.
Is it not going to make it difficult to to file? The fact that you've already put them on.
No, because they'll be flat.
Oh, right, so they're not going to be
protruding.
No,
right.
They're
not going to be protruding.
Okay.
Not at all, darling. So I'm just using that as a colour, and now I'm going to encapsulate the colour with clear. Are you following me? I know there's a lot of steps to this one, but it'll all be worth it. So basically creating the structure now. We're going to build your apex and everything like that. Giving the nail strength now. So once this is set, I'm going to file it. I will use my e-file to file the tops of the roses and everything that we've put inside. So I'm just going to remove bulk with my e-file before I hand file this. Now I'm going to hand file it, smooth it all out. I'm going to go over it with the Urban Graffiti top coat. And that'll reveal the design. I'm going to pop that into the lamp. So you can see that they're encased inside. They've been not mummified. What's it called when you like? Is it when they freeze your body and you're encased inside? Something. Cryo. Something or other. I don't know why it made me think of that. I just do think of some strange things sometimes. Now, I would like to add a bit of bling to this. Or maybe not bling. Maybe it's just some metal bits. I thought I was going to get shouted at and I was like, Adam's going to go.
Did look at the time.
Really?
Yeah.
So guys, I hope you've enjoyed that video. Bit of fun. Encapsulated those roses and give them a bit of a frame. Like, we could put them on the wall. Because they've got a frame around them now. Don't forget, check us out on Facebook and Instagram. All the products that I've used today will be listed below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nao Nails. In this video, we are going to do a rose.
No.
I'm not, because my mic's not on. I'm back. Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nao Nails. In this video, I feel like I've got a nut stuck in my tooth.
Stop eating nuts.
Sorry, bear me a minute. Take 3.